Hello friends, this is Savan Kumar and let us today talk about how to make your life and your business successful. How to make your business successful. That is the key thing that all of us want to hear, want to know and want to understand. How to make my business successful. Well, the first thing that you would want to know about success, about any kind of success that you want in your life, is being honest with yourself. This is the first and the most important thing that you need to understand is you have to be honest. You cannot lie when you are in business. You cannot lie to yourself, you cannot lie to your business, you cannot lie to your partners, you cannot lie to your customers, your clients, your employees, you cannot lie to anybody. You have to be honest. This starts with yourself. You cannot make excuses because that is a lie that you are saying to yourself. You start with yourself, you be brutally honest with yourself, and then with your family, your spouse, your society, your business, your clients, your customers, your debtors, your creditors, every single person that you get in touch with me, that you get in touch with, or you might get in touch with, you have to be honest with every single person, whoever you connect with. Honesty is what is going to make you successful. If you think or if you see that somebody, because he has not been honest, because somehow he has taken some shortcuts and he has become successful, no, he cannot be. And even if he has been successful for a short period of time, that success won't stay with him for long. So do not choose a dishonest way about being successful. Never choose a shortcut to success, because that is in no way an honest way to be successful. And when we say about being honest, when we become honest to ourselves, the one thing that would surely happen with you is people will start hating you for being honest. When you are so honest with yourself, you invite hatred, you invite criticism, you invite people not liking you because you are honest. Because you do not say different things at different times. You do not say something just to make somebody comfortable. You do not say a lie to make yourself or somebody else feel comfortable. You are true, you are truthful, you are honest, you are fair with your dealings and your transactions and your business. People will not like you, people will criticize you, and people will hate you. But do not worry about that, because people never actually criticize you. People actually never hate you. People actually never feel bad for you. They are actually criticizing themselves. They are actually hating themselves for not being able to do that. They are criticizing you, but they are actually criticizing themselves for not being able to take the risk, for not being able to stand strong when it was the time for them to stand strong. They did not, and because they did not, they expect you also not to do that. And when you do that, they come and say you that don't do that. It's tough. You cannot do that. You will face a lot of problems. They'll tell you all the nonsense things because they could not do, they will not want you to do. So give a damn, get moving, keep moving, and keep working on it. Let the hatred spread. You do not get bothered about it, right? And when you start getting hatred, that means people have started recognizing you. That means people have started to see you. That means people now expect more from you. Even though it is hatred, but people expect more from you now. They expect that you won't stop. And this is the time when you start being seen everywhere. So, for your haters, for your criticizers, if they are hating you because you are on Facebook, make sure that you are also on YouTube. Make sure that when they go to Insta, they see you there as well. Make sure that when they open their magazine, they see you there as well. Make sure that when they come out in their car and they see a billboard, you are there too. On the TV, on their mobile phone, in their email box, in their message box, every single place that they can look for, you are there. This is the best answer that you can give to your hater, and this will be the time when the person who criticized you now starts praising you. Now starts saying to the world that this is the man. See, this is the man who I talked about. This is the man who I really trusted. This is the man who I knew would do something in his life. They would be the same set of people who would turn around and start saying good things about you. Even though they do not like you, they might not still like you, but because now you are everywhere, they will start telling everybody that you are somehow related to him. So start being looked everywhere. So you have seen McDonald's, Coke, Domino's, you can find them everywhere. And businesses that are found everywhere, they make the real money. They make the real money. If you are not everywhere, you are not anywhere in your life. And do not stop. Once you start being seen everywhere, when your customers, your clients start seeing you everywhere, you start making money. You start making or helping your business grow. And this is now not the time for you to stop. This is the time to grow exponentially, to grow multiple times. You should not stop. You should not pause because you get into a comfort zone, like that hare and a rabbit story. You should not stop because you got successful for a very short period of time. You have to keep running. You have to keep running, keep increasing your effort, and that is what will make you a true success. The first success or one success is no success. You are only successful until your last failure. So you have to keep getting successful again and again and again and again. And for that, you are not supposed to stop, because the moment you stop, you will fail. And the moment you fail, you are no longer successful. And when you don't stop and when you keep growing, the next thing that you would be needing is to have a team. You cannot do it all for yourself. You will fail if you try to do yourself, because now the expectations are increasing, now the clients are increasing, now the business is increasing. If you still think that you can do everything on your own, you are going to fail. Do not say this lie to yourself. Do not say this to yourself. Work on it, build a team, and get better with what you are. Get better with what you can become. Helps you in becoming successful, helps you in becoming a successful businessman, helps you in building a successful business. Yes, it will. Try this out in your life, implement it in your life, and you will see the difference for yourself. Have a good day from me, Savan Kumar.